These are my 4 favorite productivity apps. My first one is Bluemail. This application will make sure that you can link all your mail accounts into one system. So the best part about this application, it's available for iPhone, Android, Windows and Mac. And another best part is Magic Sync. It will allow you to sync all your mail and all your settings within application with everything on the device. All your mail in one app. It's not a dream. Well, for example, you do have a delay sometimes with receiving mail, but it's only 2 or 3 minutes, the normal syncing time. Your calendar widget is a widget for Android and iOS that you can install to have a display on your screen, on your home screen, where you can see all your events in one widget. And it's syncable with multiple accounts. You can see your Google Tasks, your Microsoft To Do, all in the same app. The con is that you do have to pay for premium if you want to use the Tasks feature. But the Events feature, customizing your own whole calendar widget, is completely free and you should download this application. I use it every day. For example, mine is transparent. Isn't that just cool? You can see your wallpaper for one time. I use Google Calendar and Google Tasks for most of my things. And that is because it syncs well with all my devices. I can see it on my computer, also on my Android Samsung phone. And it's very great. Also because it's built by Google and it all links into one simple account. You can easily drag Google Tasks to your calendar if you want to use this. And I think that's a very cool feature. It will allow you to manage your whole day with just a few simple clicks. It does lack a desktop app on your Windows and your Mac, but for the rest, web version is fine. I'm lying, but okay. My favorite one, I don't really have a favorite to use all of these, is Notion. I know a lot of people talk about it and they are very much building the system. But I think when you have built it and you're not too artistic about it, I think it's a pretty good database for all your thoughts. You have it on Android, you have it on iPhone, you even have it on your Windows and your Mac, and integration is very well. They also have a calendar. Well, like I said, I do use Google Calendar because I have an Android phone. Notion Calendar does not have an application for Android yet. It does have it for iOS and Mac, like I said. But sadly, because I think it's a great application for storing all your thoughts, all your systems, so you can organize your whole life. And they should add better widgets because you make lists, you want to add things, but you do not have a widget for this to do it fast. You have to open the page and that's very annoying. So these are my top 4. I would love to know yours. Just comment down below and I will react to every single comment. Like, subscribe if you think this is a better video than originally. And yes, I do need to practice more English, Dutch accents.